Foods that cause constipation. What to avoid for smooth digestion. Constipation is one of those annoying problems that can put a damper on your day. The culprit? Often, it's the food we eat. While some foods help keep things moving, others can slow your digestion to a crawl. Let's take a look at some common constipation-causing foods and why they might be worth avoiding if you're looking to stay regular. Dairy products. Love cheese, milk, and ice cream? Unfortunately, these dairy delights can be a recipe for constipation disaster, especially for those who are lactose intolerant. Dairy tends to slow down digestion, making it harder for your body to move waste through the intestines. Red meat. Red meat is high in fat and protein, but low in fiber, which is essential for good digestion. Without enough fiber, red meat can sit in your intestines for longer than it should, leading to discomfort and constipation. Refined grains. White bread, pasta, and rice might be tasty, but they've been stripped of their fiber content during processing. Without fiber, these refined grains can contribute to sluggish digestion and constipation. Fried and fast foods. Greasy fried foods can be tough on your digestive system. High in unhealthy fats and low in fiber, they're a double whammy for your gut, often leading to constipation and bloating. Bananas. When unripe, bananas can be both a friend and a foe to your digestion. While ripe bananas are great for your gut, unripe bananas are high in starch, which can be difficult for your body to digest, potentially causing constipation. Final bite. Balance is key. The good news is, you don't have to swear off these foods entirely. Just be mindful of your intake and balance them with fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to keep things moving smoothly. Remember, a happy gut is a happy you.